This plastic pouch is owned by a shipping company who delivers my items to my clients. The size is 50 centimeters by 30 centimeters. This is where we will put the plants. To pack, first, we wrap the plant with plastic. Make sure that the soil is completely dry to avoid root rot during shipping. The plastic will keep the soil from spilling while in transit. By the way, these are recycled plastics. Next, wrap the plant around with paper. You may use old newspapers or old paper calendars or used grocery bags depending on what's available. It's good to reuse, reduce, and recycle. This plastic pouch can fit in 2 well-packed rosemary plants. Put cartons on both sides of the plants to protect them from being smashed by other items during shipping. Put at least 2 cartons as high as the plants. And put a third carton that is longer than the plastic pouch. The first 2 cartons will support the third carton. You can put a small carton on top of the plants for support. Then fold the third carton to form a box. There you go!